Hi, I'm Lauren Fix, the car coach. This is the 2012 Kia Rio-5. It's a value-packed car that's noted as the new cool. Let's take a look. The 2012 Kia Rio-5 gets 30 miles to the gallon in the city and 40 on the highway. The car starts at $16,500. I test drove the Kia Rio-5 through Austin, Texas. The 5-seater mid-size compact was fun to drive, attracted plenty of attention due to its new front end, hood, LED headlights, and taillights. It has an appealing new muscular look that makes a big statement. Idle stop-and-go technology improves the fuel economy with the ISG that turns the engine off and on. So when you stop, it stops. When you go, it goes. Pretty simple. Standard equipment includes push-button start with smart key, low rolling resistant tires, vehicle stability management, premium look with soft touch interior, adjustable armrest, toggle switches that are inspired by airplanes, power folding mirrors, rear spoiler and front spoiler. Standard safety includes front and side curtain airbags, anti-lock brakes, traction and stability control. Optional is 15, 16, and 18-inch alloy wheels, a backup camera, and the UVO infotainment and navigation system. Competes with Ford Fiesta, Chevy Sonic, Nissan Versa, Honda Fit. I liked the distinctive design, lots of head and legroom, versatile cargo area, the UVO infotainment system, the Infinity 350-watt sound system, 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. I dislike the back seat because it's a little bit tight for adults, and the steering wanders a bit on the highway. The 2012 Kia Rio-5 is no longer driving in the penalty box. It's riding in the box suite. Lots of great features, lots of new design, and it's fun to drive as well. Remember, when you're test driving vehicles, drive as many vehicles as you can in that category. And for more information, go to our website. I'm Lauren Fix, the car coach.